Hi everybody, I am here and I am painting nails for a little girl who is how old?
7.
7, my goodness, and 6. Okay, so you
No,
guys?
4.
4? Okay. So see, they're little. and they are, go ahead.
They're bipolar girls' kids.
Yay!
Oh.
So we got bipolar girl in the shop with her children.
Miss Monkey has actually made an appearance before.
Yes, she has. Oh, yes, she has. But I kind of wanted to get them both on film just for fun, and also like because you guys have been telling me that you want me to paint smaller nails. I said what a fun idea. So I called and she came over, and everybody's excited. And I'm starting this tutorial with the rainbow acrylic craft paints in red, orange,
Yellow, green, blue, purple.
and whose favorite is rainbow?
Mine. My little sister.
Her little sister's gonna do some rainbows too, probably. So we're gonna zoom in and then show the penny so we can show how small the nails are, like that. Okay, and I'll just keep that kind of in the center. Now, because she has little hangnails, I got off the big ones, but don't worry too much about getting the hangnails and stuff off. I have one base coat, and I used a really thin base coat because we don't want this to crack. So now with the red, I'm going in at a diagonal like this, and then taking it and filling it in like that, wiping my brush, going into orange, doing it like this, wiping it, going into my brush, doing the yellow, and then pushing down. And if you notice, I'm not going into the cuticle too much because the cuticle has skin on it, and the more paints and stuff that you have on the skin, the more it's going to pull and come off. But it's not that big of a deal, okay? I mean, it's going to chip, of course, because they're really tiny nails. But for now, they are absolutely fun to do, and they're so cute. Am I right?
Yes.
Okay, so now I'm going.
We got a new doggy.
Oh my goodness, I know, and his name is
Creed more.
Creed. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited that you got another dog. Okay.
and when he grows up, I'm gonna get a baby dog.
Oh, what kind of baby dog are you gonna get?
I forgot.
Do you know what you're gonna name him?
No.
Boy or girl? Boy or girl? Boy or girl?
A boy name, and it will be you want a Yorkie is what you.
Oh, so me and bipolar girl have the same dog taste.
A Yorkie, and his name is gonna be Widow Stripey.
Little Stripey?
Little Stripey.
What? That's a great name. That sounds like a show dog name. Doesn't it?
It does.
Little Stripey. Not enough names though. Needs 3 more names. Mace, can you think of 3 more names? Little Stripey, Rainbow.
Widow Snowflake, Widow Rainbow, Widow Bluey, Widow Snow, Widow Button, Widow Lovey, Widow Ballerina.
Oh, little Ballerina. That would be the cutest dog name ever.
Although that's his nickname.
Uh-huh. Yeah, but what would his real name be without the nickname?
Widow Rainbow.
Oh my gosh.
We
Little
have a dog called
Rainbow.
Little Bit.
Yes, we did. For 23 years. She
Was the best
Yes.
dog ever.
that was the most sweetest dog ever sweetest. But we know the favorite. We know the favorite dog, Meg.
We do. Rusty Bucket.
Rusty Bucket.
Rusty Bucket.
My favorite dog. I think that's why I took to Carl, because it's a tall, you know.
It's a tall Rusty Bucket.
Yeah, it was a tall Rusty, and I'm like, okay. And they have a lot of the same characteristics.
Carl.
They both like go, Look, you can totally see how he left?
Yeah.
Yeah.
He's like, I'm not wanted here.
Right.
They're talking about me.
They're talking about
some
me.
other dog.
I've got somewhere to go. Somewhere cool to go where you're not invited. Edison.
Yeah?
Come say hi real quick.
You're
Hi.
so big.
I don't have a teenagers anymore. They all
She's
grew.
telling everybody. the whole world.
Yep.
Well,
Macy, stop growing. Stop growing, Macy, stop.
Remember when he was your size?
Yep. He was. It was just yesterday he was your size.
Yeah. When I came into the flying tomato the first time. What was
I
when
will go
came into
ahead
flying
and
tomato
finish the
first
other
time?
nail. See how I just went and picked it back up with red? I'm just going to finish the other nails like this and I'll meet you back. Okay, so now I have some Max Reflex Pearl glitter, but any kind of clear reflecting glitter will work. And Max Reflect Gold, Reflect Blue, Reflect Red, any of those will work. And then you'll see that this is a pearl, so when it starts, it'll start to pour into there, and then I mix it, and it's going to make this real thin, glittery top, okay? Now this thin top will seal the nails, and then it won't chip as badly, so it will last longer. And for little nails like this, it's very helpful. So I use textile medium, and textile medium is what I add to the glitter, and that's what you use to paint jean jackets, and anything that you use to paint onto jackets will work when you mix it with the glitter. So the textile medium changed tags, but it's still the same thing. I am going to put a little bit more. Oh, my brush wasn't clean. Put a little bit more. And so it's just a real light wash. We get in frame, and then I'm going to wash it over my finger. If it barely is showing glitter like that, that'll be fine. Okay, so that's what I want. Then I'm just going to paint it over the rainbow somewhere. And I don't even know if that's able. Then this one. And what it does is it seals the rainbow down, because this is all just paint, craft paint, but the glitter makes it stick to the nail better, and it won't come off as quickly. It's still going to come off pretty quickly, but not as quickly, and they're going to look so cute, and it can go on any size nail. So that's what we want to do, right? Yeah, right. Just have a fun nail that will last a little bit longer than 5 minutes, and that's how you do it. And we'll do this, and when it dries, it'll dry clear, and then she will be ready to roll. So do this. And as long as you put it nice and thin and work fast, it's not going to pull your paint. It's just going to go over each color, seal it, protect it, and make it shiny. And then see where her nail is coming out right here? I would absolutely just put some extra glitter right here. It covers that little area and also seals it from splitting, or it just allows it without me having to cut it and hurt her. So there's that, and I'll meet you back. Okay, so here is the end result with the glitter on them, and I hope that you guys like them and try them. Did you have fun?
Yes.
Okay, great. Okay, so I just used my brush, robinmosesnailart.com, and just regular craft paints. This whole design only costed less than $1 to do, and if you guys are painting with your children or your grandchildren and you have any questions or you want any more videos or stuff like that, leave it in the comment section. And I told the girls that I would paint them every once in a while and do the tutorials that you guys ask for on really tiny nails, just so you guys have more options, and also so that you don't take it so seriously and you have a lot of fun, right?
Right.
Okay, so anyways, I'll see you back with more, and everybody have a great day. Can everybody say bye?
Bye.